What if I told you that you could ditch the chemical painkillers and treat your chronic back pain, joint stiffness, or cramps using a 2,000-year-old secret? Today I'm introducing you to the world of Moxibustion. Natural, powerful, and incredibly affordable. I found these gems on Temu, and trust me, they are a total game changers for your home wellness kit. But before we unbox, what exactly is this? It's called Moxibustion. It involves burning dried mugworts, which is called Moxa, near the skin. In traditional Chinese medicine, the heat from Moxa penetrates deep into your meridians to kickstart blood circulation and expel cold and dampness from your joints. It's like a targeted herbal heat therapy. First up, these are the OG Moxa sticks. They are handmade using aged mugwort from Qichun, the gold standard in China. They have a deep, earthy aroma. You light them and hold them over the area of pain. You can actually feel the heat sinking into your muscles, not just sitting on the surface. If you're worried about falling ash or burning yourself, you need this handheld holder. You place the stick inside and it allows you to massage the heat directly onto your skin safely. It's like having a professional TCM clinic right in your living room. These are very traditional Chinese tools for using up the Chinese medicine. Now for my busy friends, these ginger and mugwort patches. Ginger is famous for its warming properties. When combined with Moxa, it's a powerhouse for knee pain or stiff necks. You just peel the stick and let the herbs do the work for hours. Did you know that your navel is more than just a mark from your birth? It's a gateway to your nervous system, and I'm going to show you a game changer for your nighttime routine. In ancient medicine, the navel is connected to over 72,000 veins. By placing just one drop of organic castor oil inside this self-adhesive, breathable, non-woven patch, you allow the oil to absorb deep into your body while you sleep. These patches are flower-shaped, disposable, and mess-free. No more oily bed sheets. The benefits? It aids digestion and bloating. It balances hormones and relieves menstrual cramp. It can even improve your skin glow and reduce anxiety. It's so simple. Take one disposable patch, put one drop of high-quality castor oil in the center and stick it over your navel before bed. The non-woven fabric ensures your skin breathes while the oil works its magic. You wake up feeling lighter and more balanced. I also have left the link to these patches at the description box of the video. Finally, these premium heating patches. These are my favorite for menstrual cramps or lower back pain while I'm at work. They stay warm up to 8 hours and are so thin nobody will even know you're wearing them. It's constant healing heat on the go. Now I know what you're thinking. Is the quality good? I was shocked. Usually these specialized TCM tools are marked up to 3 times or 4 times in local wellness shops. Buying them on Temu gets you authentic product directly from the source at a fraction of the cost. I'll link all 4 of these products at the description below so you can grab them easily wherever you are. And don't forget, nature has always had the answers. We just had to find the right tools. If you are ready to try a more natural way to manage pain, give this a go. Let me know in comments which one you are most curious about. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more holistic lifestyle tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.